Hello friends, welcome back to a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. Friends, I will highly recommend you to go through my channel playlist. There you will find useful playlist which will lead you to learn easily. So today we are going to learn how to use the rank formula in Microsoft Excel that will make your everyday work in Microsoft Excel easier. So learn the rank formula briefly. Watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notifications from my channel, and if you have already subscribed then many thanks. And I will request you to share my videos with your friend who wants to learn advanced Excel from the very beginning level. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, as usual, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously. Let's open that file. Here it is. Suppose you have a scorecard or anything else, any data file like this, and you have to show the rank of each of the following names or person. To rank a set of numeric values where the highest value is ranked number 1, you can easily use the rank function. In this example shown, you have to type the formula like this. Look at here carefully friends. Equals to rank. We are going to use the rank function. Look at here. Rank function means that returns the rank of a number in a list of numbers, its size relative to other values in the list. So after typing rank, you have to open the first bracket. Then you have to put the number which you want the rank of. So I am selecting the cell number which contains that number. Then you have to put a comma here. Then you have to select the data range. You can select it by clicking with your cursor, or you can write it down from your keyboard. Friends, note carefully, you have to put a dollar symbol in this cell range so that this range can be locked, so that whenever you drag your formula from upside down, the range should not be changed. So you can type the dollar symbol manually here, or you can just select that range like this, and from your keyboard F4. Whenever you F4, it will be like this. Automatically include the dollar symbol. After locking it, simply close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. After that, if you drag and copy the formula from upside down, you will get the accurate result. Look at here, as 100 in this range is the highest number, it is showing rank as number 1. After that 90, it is showing 2, and that's all. So let's check how this formula actually works. You can use the rank function to rank numeric values. Rank has two modes of operation: ranking values, where the largest value is number 1. There you have to put like this 0, and ranking values where the lowest value is number 1. Then you have to type 1 like this. In this case we are ranking test scores, so the highest value should rank number 1. So we omit the order argument which defaults to 0. The following formula here, which includes order set to 0, is equivalent of this one. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you have learned a new trick of rank formula in Microsoft Excel today. Hopefully you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, please give a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends who wants to learn Microsoft Excel from the very beginning level. Share your opinion in the comment box. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel, and stay tuned.